Oh, Jesus drinks the natty ice. Natty ice in his blood. He's got steel reserved for brains. We know how that works, right? Let's bring on up there, Chorley. Furuheim needs a brave volunteer for their game. Who would like to be a brave? I saw that hand over there. You sit right there. Come on up and come on down. What is the game? It's called Foley Artist. Sir, you are going to be providing all of these sound effects for this entire scene. So please stand over here. You will have this microphone. Whenever they do anything that looks like they need noise, you will provide that noise. Make sense? All right, the microphone's yours. This is Foley Artist. Have a warm round of applause! Where are they? What was that? You're in London. After a warm round of applause.
Oh, the glorious Big Ben. I see that you're looking at it. It's almost noon. Listen. Here it is. Brilliant. Well, the elevator's open. We can get a much better look at it. Yes, absolutely. It was difficult looking through that elevator. Whoa, shit, that was close. You feel that? It almost pinched me in the ass. I better be careful around this Big Ben. Which floor? 12. And here we are. I know the elevators like we build the speed trains here. That was fast. You know what I love about London is all the tea that they have here. Would you like to try it? Oh, I would love some tea. Oh, but it just so happens we have a lovely teapot. And it's ready. Somebody hit their golf ball. You can lose an eye. You should be more careful, sir. Two, please. Excellent. How is it? No, I've not much in here. I'll try it again. Well, look at music. We should go to level maybe 14 this time. Yeah, level 14. The outing.